When most business owners are asked what their accountant or bookkeeper helps them with, you'll most likely hear that they'll do their financial statements, which includes their balance sheet and income statement or their profit and loss report, and they'll probably file their tax returns for them. Most accountants, bookkeepers, certified public accountants, and virtual CFOs provide way more services than this. Knowing what additional services your accountant or bookkeeper can perform for you could help your business grow and alleviate the stress that you encounter when you try to do things for yourself. When your accountant or bookkeeper provides additional advisory services, they're available if you have a situation that comes up in your business that you're unfamiliar with and you need professional advice. Accountants and bookkeepers work with a variety of businesses, and this provides a great deal of knowledge and experience with past business situations. They not only have these experiences under their belts, but they can tie in your financial information and really collaborate with you to make sure that your business goals are met or even exceeded. In today's episode, I'm going to go over a few of the most popular advisory services your accountant or bookkeeper can help you with in your business, whether you're just getting ready to start your small business, you're a solopreneur, entrepreneur, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Knowing you have these additional advisory services available to you can help you manage your business when you feel like you're struggling and all alone, not to mention the headaches and stress that they can help you avoid. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. I'm sure you know you can contact an accountant or bookkeeper to help you get your financial statements in order. And if you're looking for a tax preparer, they can normally do this for you as well. Today, I want to make sure that you're aware of the additional services that you can take advantage of aside from these services that your accountant, certified public accountant, bookkeeper, or virtual CFO might be offering. These additional services go far beyond making sure that you understand what your balance sheet and income statement tell you about your business. First, even though your accountant is preparing your financial statements, which include your balance sheet and income statement, and your tax return, don't be shy about asking them questions about these services. If there's something that you don't understand, know that your accountant is there to answer those questions for you. Don't feel ashamed about asking questions. Your accountant will be more than happy to explain how your business is doing so that you are able to make smart business decisions. Most accountants will assume that you understand how your business is doing if you don't ask questions. I can tell you from my own experience, I really appreciate when a client asks me a question. I enjoy explaining financial information to my clients, and I love knowing that I'm helping a business owner fully understand their financial information. When you're a business owner, you need to keep in mind the saying, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Advisory services are services your accountant offers to provide you with assistance or advice when you need it about different areas in your business. There are many advisory services you could seek help with. Some of the most popular services your accountant may provide are reviewing contracts and documents to see if there would be any potential financial or tax consequences that could impact your business. They can help you gather all the necessary information to obtain a loan and even help you with a succession plan for your business. With these advisory services, your accountant could also help you develop key performance indicators, or KPIs, and metrics to track how your business is doing on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. They can also create a dashboard or reports so that you can easily track this performance. They can help you create a detailed budget with numbers that would reflect what your goals for the company are and let you know exactly how your business needs to perform to reach those goals. They can also help troubleshoot what's not working in your business if you're failing to meet the goals, and they can help dig into why you may be having cash flow problems. If you're an accountant or high-stress professional, you want to start enjoying your life more, both at work and at home. You've likely built a successful career, but at what cost? The problem is, you're so buried in deadlines and to-do lists that there's no time or energy left for the things that really matter. You're great at managing clients, deadlines, and numbers, but your own stress, time, and well-being? Well, they always seem to come last. The constant pressure leads to burnout, guilt, and feeling like no matter how much you do, it's never enough. I see this all the time. As a CPA with over 20 years of experience and a certified coach, I've helped high-achieving professionals, just like you, go from stress and burnout to a more integrated and balanced lifestyle using the reinvention process. This process helps you reduce stress, reclaim your time, and finally build a healthier, happier, and more balanced lifestyle without sacrificing your success. The truth is, stress doesn't go away on its own, and eventually the cost isn't just exhaustion, it's your health, your relationships, and your love for the work you once enjoyed. If you're ready to build a life that you don't need a vacation from, it's easy to get started. First, schedule your complimentary stress audit and clarity session, where in just one session, I'll help you pinpoint what's really draining your time and energy. Create a personalized action plan to help you simplify your life, reclaim your time, and increase your productivity so that you start living with more energy, focus, and freedom. You don't have to keep doing this alone. I can help you customize a plan to stop the overwhelm and start enjoying your life again. Go to financialadventure.com, click on the Work With Me button, and book your free session today. Let this be the moment that you stop just surviving and start living with more control and finally enjoy a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. In the meantime, check out all the other resources and solutions on my website that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can stop being stressed out and feeling like you're never doing enough, and instead breathe a sigh of relief at the end of the day knowing you've accomplished enough and can enjoy your life more. By working with your accountant, you can manage your debt and get a plan in place so that you know exactly which debt makes the most sense to be paying down first and how long it would take you to pay off your debts in the future. This alone can be a huge stress relief, and it can alleviate the questions that you may be having if you don't quite understand how to best use your money when you have debt. They can help you with your inventory. Many business owners have inventory, but they may not know exactly what impact inventory has on their finances. Accountants can help you decide how much inventory you should keep on hand and if you need to write off any obsolete or damaged inventory to ensure that your inventory numbers are reflected correctly. You might not think that your accountant would be able to help your business with technology advice, but they can offer advice on which technology would work with your particular business to help you save time and money down the road. Technology can be the key to helping your business remain as efficient as possible. Another area business owners rely on accountants for advice on is employment. Your accountant can help you understand exactly how much your employees are costing you, as well as compile the data that you need to make decisions about hiring new employees. They'll help you focus on which areas in your business you should hire employees that will allow you to meet your business goals so that you're not hiring the wrong employees. You'll also know how much your future employees will impact your business finances. If you're a smaller business, you can work with your accountant, certified public accountant, or bookkeeper to provide virtual CFO services. If you can't substantiate hiring a CFO for your business, most accountants will provide these services for you. With so many of the accounting systems in the cloud, it's easy to have your accountant assist you when you need them. They could even help you collect on unpaid invoices if they're causing your cash flow to dip. Overall, your accountant is there for you. They understand that being in business for yourself can be hard and even more stressful when you don't have family or friends who understand what you're going through. Most business owners don't feel comfortable talking to others about what's bothering them. They feel isolated and they wish they had someone to talk to when issues come up in their business, or even if they have a new idea that they need sound advice on. Your accountant is there to listen to you and provide advice whenever they can. They understand how business works, and many have been fortunate to work with a variety of different businesses, which increases their knowledge and the ability to perform these advisory services. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing you will take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.